What if everything you believe about reality is wrong? What if the very act of looking fundamentally alters the world around you? Prepare for a journey into the deepest secrets of existence. For centuries, light perplexed us. In the 17th century, Huygens proposed light as waves. Later, Young's double-slit experiment seemed to confirm it, showing characteristic interference patterns. Yet, the early 20th century brought new revelations. Planck and Einstein demonstrated light also behaves as discrete packets of energy, particles called photons. The photoelectric effect proved this duality. How could light be both a wave and a particle? This paradox baffled the greatest minds. Scientists questioned if the fundamental nature of reality itself was more complex than imagined. To probe this enigma, physicists decided to send not light, but individual electrons, definite particles, towards a barrier with two tiny slits, expecting clear, predictable results. Logic dictated that electrons, being particles, would pass through one slit or the other, creating two distinct bands of impacts on a detector screen behind the barrier. Simple, direct. But reality had other plans. When unobserved, the electron somehow created an interference pattern, as if each individual electron passed through both slits simultaneously, like a wave. This pattern is the hallmark of waves, where crests and troughs superimpose, cancelling or reinforcing each other. The electron, a particle, was behaving as a non-local, ubiquitous wave. Baffled, scientists hypothesized, what if the electrons knew they were being watched? They installed detectors at the slits, to simply observe which path each electron took. The universe held its breath. The instant an electron's path was measured, the interference pattern vanished. Each electron now behaved as a distinct particle, passing through only one slit. This implies that the very act of observation, the mere presence of consciousness, fundamentally influences physical reality. Particles don't have a definite state until we look. The double-slit experiment reveals a universe far stranger, far more interactive than we ever imagined. Our perception isn't passive, it's an active participant in shaping existence itself.